In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the lookup field in Airtable. A lookup field lets you display information from a related record without copying or duplicating data, which keeps your workspace organized and accurate. Think of it as a window into another table. You link a record once, and the lookup shows exactly the value you need from that linked record. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser and signing in. From your workspace, click on your app to open the tables you want to work with. Make sure you're in the table where you want the lookup results to appear. The lookup will show in a new column here. Next, add a new field. Click the plus sign at the end of your table's header row to create a new column. In the field type menu that appears, start typing lookup in the search box, then select lookup as the field type. This tells Airtable we're creating a field that pulls data through an existing link. You'll see a configuration panel open. This is where the lookup gets its instructions. First, select the lookup source. Choose the linked record field that connects this table to the other table. The lookup relies on that relationship to know where to pull information from. If your table already has a linked record field, you'll see it here. Pick the one that points to the table you want to reference. Now choose which field to display from that linked table. For example, you might pull the contact's email, a project status, or a due date. Click to choose the specific field you want. Airtable will preview the values so you can confirm you're looking up the right information. When you're happy with the selection, confirm the choice. To finish, click Create. Airtable adds the new lookup column, and you'll immediately see values populate for any rows that already have linked records. If a row doesn't have a linked record yet, the lookup will remain blank until you add one. A few tips as you review your results. Rename the field to something clear, like Client Email Lookup, so teammates instantly understand where it comes from. If your linked record field can hold multiple records, expect the lookup to return multiple values. Airtable will display them together, and you can adjust formatting later if needed. If you're not seeing data, double-check that the row is actually linked and that the source field in the other table contains a value. That's it. You've created a lookup field, configured its source, chosen exactly which information to display, and saved it so your table always reflects the most up-to-date data from your related records.